We're asked to simplify this radical expression, 1 minus 4 times the square root of 6 squared. First thing with many of these when we're squaring binomials, the first thing we want to do is rewrite this as 1 minus this 4 times the square root of 6 times 1 minus 4 the square root of 6. So again, I'm just rewriting that, what this square represents right here. Writing it like that helps us because now it's obvious, hopefully, that we need to FOIL to multiply these together. So let's do this first set of multiplication. So 1 times 1 gives us a 1. 1 times negative 4 square root of 6 is just minus 4 square root of 6. And then the other set is this minus 4 square root of 6. So minus 4 square root of 6. That's times 1, but that doesn't do anything. And then this last one is really the only complicated one here, is negative 4 square root of 6 times negative 4 square root of 6 will give us 16. That 16 comes from the negative 4 times the negative 4. And then the square root of 6 times the square root of 6 is the square root of 36. But really importantly when we do this, square root of 6 times the square root of 6 I can think of as the square root of 36, or I can simplify that just right away, and that ends up being 6, because the square root of 36 is just 6. So let's just clean that up a little bit. Let's see here. So we get 1. These two terms can be put together to give us a negative 8 square root of 6. And then I just need to calculate 16 times 6. When I do that, I get 96 from that. Last step is just combining the 1 here and that 96 to get an answer of 97 minus 8, the square root of 6, times the square root of 6. And there we go. So big picture again, what we do on these kind of problems is we rewrite this squaring, we rewrite it so we understand that it's FOILing. We FOIL, and then just remembering how we multiply radical expressions, and then how we combine like terms are the last couple steps.